Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix when your iPhone doesn't connect with the iTunes with the help of data cable in your PC or laptops. If you are especially connecting, then your iPhone doesn't recognize your iTunes, then how do you fix it, we will see in this tutorial step by step. So don't skip ahead. Every step is very important for us, guys. So right now, see here, if you see after disconnections, if I do OK, and when we connect iTunes, now we can see here this at the corner autoplay. This iTunes has been especially came here, but however on iTunes it's things that especially cannot be connected because of software and something else is. So how do you fix it? Because properly iTunes has been installed, but however it's not configured, it's not recognizing. So now we don't have options. It has already updated latest one iOS it is, iTunes it is. So we'll go for especially preference, and thereupon of course here we can see especially this is update, everything is updated. So how do I now? Simply we'll have to go for another administration, that is especially I'm 3U tool, guys, and in a case 3U tool also we can see here that it is functioning or not. I'm not sure that it's going to be a functional. It should be functional, guys. Now it's saying so that install, especially install iTunes or Apple driver, etc, etc. So just what we will do, guys, here just we will cut it from here and we will come on iTunes utility and we will go for repair the driver, and see here these all are problem here. So just we will click on to the repair of it. So now see it has started to repair. Now yes, it's preparing to install. We will wait and we will have to wait and watch carefully, guys. If further any error will come, so then of course we will try to fix it. So any on a special iPhone device, if it doesn't connect or doesn't recognize with your iTunes in your PC or laptop, so then come with the 3U tools. This tool I will give you links below the description box. Of course you can have a especially with one click, so from there install in your PC or laptop and thereupon once again go for it. So see here once again after disconnection it has notified. Now let it complete. Here is also especially see Apple device and etc. Just we will go for uninstall unwanted or maybe a especially old driver, and then after that once again especially restart your computer, otherwise we can close this iTunes, and thereupon of course we will go for once again installations. Now once again we will connect a special iTunes here. Now let it complete firstly, and thereupon of course we will go for here. Yes, this is successfully done. So now what we will do here, guys, confirmed, and we will go for cut it, and now iTunes has been especially connected. It's not asking anything, fine. So there should be a connection of a special iTunes also. Now it should recognize. Let's see. Now it has especially connected here, guys. It cannot be assigned, fine, it's okay, but this device has been connected here, we can see. So guys, thank you for staying till the end of this tutorials. Yes, and this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with new step-by-step technology tutorials. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these concerns, and please drop the comments if you have further any inquiry. It really supports the channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.